welcome back to my channel. It's Ashley here, and if you are new, hey girl, hey. So in this video, I am going to be redoing this space back here in my kitchen. So we just had like the toaster oven and like bottle sterilizer and stuff right there, and I just need to move that, make this area over here look cute. So I did have my coffee mug on the opposite side of our kitchen, and now I'm just gonna move it. Did I say coffee mug? Coffee maker. And now I'm going to move it over here, and then we're just gonna make this space look cute. So I'm gonna be doing that, and then I'm also gonna be doing like a DIY mug holder, and then I'm also gonna be showing how to make some really cute mugs. So let's go ahead and get started. So the first thing I did, of course, was I started to clear this area out, and I removed everything and I wiped this space clean. Okay, so I'm outside, and now I am going to be using a leftover spindle and also some scrap wood because, guys, first of all, I've had the spindle for about 4 years now, and the scrap wood, my pile is like piling up, and I need to start using some of this wood. So I'm gonna use those things today to create this mug holder, and fingers crossed that this turns out how I envisioned it. So first things first, I started to cut everything down to the sizes that I needed. So that included both of these spindles. And then I also did cut that piece of wood down, but I honestly didn't even use this piece. I used a different piece, and I'm gonna show you in a second. So the next thing I did to cover up these marks and stuff on the spindles, I just first of all washed these off, and then now I'm just going to give them a couple coats of chalk paint and let them dry, and I added satin finish to both of them. Okay, so moving along, like I said, I used a different piece of wood, and this is the wood that I used. So I got this from Marshall's, and I just knew it was gonna be perfect. It's nice, sturdy, thick. It looks so good. It's nice and smooth. It was only like $9.99, so I was like, this is going to look perfect. So I snatched this up, and then all I'm gonna do now is just take my spindles and attach them to the bottom. So to attach them to the bottom, all I did was I took my hot glue, I made sure I lined these up nicely, and I just used that rope on the side to make sure that they were going to be in the center of the wood, and then I just glued them with my hot glue. And I could have used my E6000, but when I use my Gorilla Glue hot glue sticks, like that thing, they work so well, and they literally kind of work like E6000. Now that I'm finished making the mug holder, I am now going to start making a mug. So today's video is sponsored by Cricut, and I'm going to be using the Cricut Mug Press, and this thing is amazing, y'all. I absolutely love it. It's so easy to use. So I'm gonna be using the infusible ink transfer sheets, and I created a design in Design Space, and now I am using my Cricut Joy to cut that design out. And then now I'm gonna be using the mugs that are like the infusible ink mugs that go with this, and I'm just going to be placing my design on top of that, and then I'm going to pop this right into the mug press. Like, this mug press is so easy to use. You just literally pop your mug in there, press the little lever down on the side, and then you just wait on the dots to load all the way up to beep to tell you to take your mug out. And then once you pull that mug out, it's gonna be really, really hot. So you want to be really, really careful, and then I'm just going to place it on my heat pad here, and then I let it dry for about 15 minutes, and then I removed the transfer, and it looked so amazing. So I loved how this mug turned out, y'all. I made so many mugs, it's not even funny. If you use this machine, you will literally start to go crazy. It's just a really cool way to create some awesome mugs. So after all of my DIYs were done, it's time to put all of this together. So I'm using this placemat that I got from Hobby Lobby, and I just put my coffee maker on top of it. And then on the sides, I'm just adding these canisters that I picked up from Marshall's. I am loving the natural bamboo look with cream white. Next, of course, I added my DIY coffee mug holder. I love how that turned out. And then I just added my mugs on top. So these mugs that you see right now, just in a few minutes, they're gonna be like different mugs on there because I like switching them out. But I just added those on there. And then this little bunny tray thing that I got from Target, I moved that too because I found the marble top tray that I wanted from Marshall's. And then this little sign that I got from Hobby Lobby, I'm just removing the sawtooth hanger on the back, and I'm gonna add these command strips. I cut them in little slices, and then I just popped them in place. And then I added this over there as well to have a cute little sign. And that's it. That is all I did to this little area over here. It looks so much better than what was here previously. So this is a good idea if you do have a small space and you don't have an area to like create like a nice little coffee bar. You could definitely use a space on your counter to create your little coffee tea section. So I love how my little DIY coffee mug holder turned out. That piece of wood that I found from Marshall's, literally it was the icing on the cake, and I knew it was gonna look so good. I'm also loving my little DIY mug that I made, and it fits right into my like collection of mugs, and I really literally have more mugs than this, but I just set these up here. But all in all, like I said, I love this area, love the transformation. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you give it a big thumbs up. Make sure you comment down below to let me know what you think. If you aren't subscribed to my channel, make sure you click on that subscribe button and you hit that notification bell so you'll always be up to date with my latest tutorials, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.